Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. In this video we'll discuss how to prevent concrete pavement from cracking. Now with that being said, this does not prevent all cracking, but it does help. Here you see the worker with a self-propelled saw. This type of saw is very easy to use. This is a one-man operation. He is using a carbon-tipped saw blade. You can see the water keeping the blade cool. If he didn't use the water, the heat from cutting the concrete would melt the blade in a matter of minutes. You can see the metal forms have not been removed yet. This is because the new concrete should be cut within 24 hours after the concrete has been poured. Let me explain why the saw cutting is necessary. The no-load transfer joints, which you've seen in the past videos, are about 80 feet apart or about 24 meters. The contractor paints lines every 20 feet or about every 6 meters. The specifications call for the transverse joints, also known as dummy joints, to be cut every 20 feet or about 6 meters. The purpose of these dummy joints are to control the cracking. In theory, when the concrete gets hot or cold, it will contract or expand, and it will crack in the dummy joints. The worker cuts the dummy joints with a saw blade that is 1/4 of an inch wide or about 7 centimeters and cuts to a depth of approximately 40% of the concrete. In this video, the concrete pavement is 9 inches or 23 centimeters thick, so 40% would be just over 3.5 inches or about 9 centimeters. When the joint is cut and before the roadway is open to traffic, the contractor will seal the dummy joints and the no-load transfer joints with a pliable asphaltic sealer. The joints are sealed, so when the joints crack, and they will, it will prevent water from getting under the pavement and causing base failure. Base failure is the #1 cause of all pavement failures, both concrete and asphaltic. I hope this helps with explaining controlled cracking. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.